Grateful. I hope you are doing well. So today we will learn a new subject and we need these two books. Okay, we will work on these two books, class book and workbook. But first, okay, we need the class book. So please open your class books and move to page 70. Okay, page 70 on the class book. We have this song, How Often. First, I'm going to play this song for you. We should listen to this song, then we will try to sing the song as well. And you must rewrite this song on your notebooks, okay, as usual, as we did before. So now please listen to the song.
Listening 71. Listen and sing. How often? How often do you watch cartoons?
3 times a week. 3 times a week. I watch cartoons 3 times a week.
How often do you watch a film?
Once a week. Once a week. I watch a film once a week.
How often do you go to the beach?
Twice a year. Twice a year. I go to the beach twice a year.
How often do you see your friends?
Every day. Every day. I see my friends every day.
So class 4. Now let's move to page 71. Okay, look. My dears, on page 71 we have lesson 4, which is about phonics and spelling. Phonics and spelling. Here we have these two suffixes. We have ER suffix and OR suffix. ER suffix and OR suffix. Maybe you will ask this question, what does mean suffix? Suffix, it means pashgir. It means they will come at the end of the word, okay? It's like an addition. They will come at the end of the word, okay? So ER and OR, there are suffixes. Now let's explain each one. We have mother. Mother, it ends with ER, okay? It ends with ER. But here in this word ER, it's not like an addition. It's original, okay? It means it's with the word itself. It's not like that, moth plus ER. The word is mother, okay? Father as well. Here, ER, it's a suffix. If I ask you underline that suffix in this word, you must underline ER. It's a suffix, okay? And it means the word, it ends with ER, with this sound, okay? And you should read it in this way. Father, mother, okay? Father, mother. We have September also. This ER, which is on this word September, it's not like an addition. It means with it's a particle or it's a part of the word, okay? But if you come, look at OR, look at this suffix. First word we have visitor. If we remove OR, it means if we remove this suffix, it will be visit. Visit, it's a verb. So here, please listen to me very well. ER on or OR, they can, okay? They can go to a verb and they will change the form of the word. They will change the form from a verb to a noun. It means they can change a verb to a noun. واتا اما اتوانين بزياد كرني ER يا OR بوسر هندق لفيرب كان بيان كين با noun. إما وشي visit معناه visit it's a verb, but when we say visitor, it's a person or she's a person or he's a person who is visiting someone. Here, look at the picture. Look at this girl. She visits her grandma, so it means this girl, she is visitor. She is visitor and she wants to visit her grandma. Doctor, but doctor, it's like mother. Okay, this or it's not like an addition. It's with the word itself. But look at this one, actor. Okay, the word act or word act, it's a verb. Okay, someone who's acting on theater. But when we add or this suffix, it will be actor. So it means that we change the form of the word. We changed from a verb to a noun. So act, it's a verb. Actor, it's a person or who is acting on the theater. Okay, so act, it's when somebody acting on theater, but actor, it's a person which is acting on theater. You see, we call that person actor. And if we come down, also here we have this word, we have this verb, teach, it's a verb. Okay, for example, right now I'm teaching you, so I use teach as a verb. I am teaching you, class 4. But who am I? Okay, or what is my job? I am a teacher. So at this time, when we add er, when we add this suffix, it will be a noun. So teach, it's a verb. Teacher, it's a noun, right? Like act, actor. And here we have these 3 pictures. Okay, I'm going to play the audio for you, and you should draw a circle around those words which they end with er and or suffixes, like me. Okay, but now let me play the audio for you.
Listening 73. Listen and read. Number 1.
In September, I will have a new teacher at school. Her name is Mrs. Butler.
Number 2.
When we have a visitor, my mother and father prepare a fantastic dinner.
Number 3.
My older brother is an actor. He'll be in a play in October. In the play, he is a doctor.
Let me mention something else for you. Here we have this word older. Old, it's an adjective. We added er, okay, to put this adjective in a comparative form. Do you remember we talked about comparative and superlatives? Okay, comparative adjectives, you have the basic adjective, then you can add er, okay, and at this time you can use this adjective to compare 2 things or 2 persons together. Do you remember that? Old, older, fast, faster, okay, close, closer, something like that. So also here this er, it's a suffix, it's the same, but at this time we added to an adjective to change this adjective to a comparative adjective. Okay, and also brother, it's like mother and father, sister. This er, it's not like an addition, it's with the word itself. Okay, it means it's a particle of the word brother. But visitor, as I mentioned before, here the form changed and also the meaning changed. Gulimen. But our problem, mane ushakash agore katek achete ser verb beku ekabanaun. What that visit, mane ke visitor, it's something else. So the meaning and the form also changed from a verb to a noun, and the meaning also changed. Okay? Let's practice with this exercise together. Here we have 6 pictures and we have 6 spaces, right? You must complete the word with er and or suffixes and then write down the word. Okay? You must complete the word and then write down here. First picture, who's that person? He's a visitor. So visit plus or, it will be visitor. Visit is a verb, as I told you, plus or, it will be visitor, visitor. It's a noun. Second one, we have a doctor. So doc plus er, or, which one? Of course, plus or, it will be doctor. Okay, so you see I underlined or. Number 3, we have moth with er or or, which one? With er, so it will be mother. As I told you, this er, which is on the word mother, it's original. it means it's a particle with the word. It's not like an addition. It's not like with visit. Okay, it means the word itself ends with er. It's different than when we add er or r to a verb to change the form. Okay, واتە من دوو زانیاریم پێوتیت گوڵی من خۆی لە کتێبەکەی توایە باسی ئەوە ناکا کە ئێمە فۆرمی وەردێکە گۆڕین لە ڤێربە بۆ ناون. بەڵام من حەزم کرد ئەو ئازانیاریش ئاتکەم بۆ تۆ بۆی تۆ ئەوش بزانی خۆی تەنها باسی ئەوە کاڵێ ئەو وشانی کە کۆتاییان هاتووە بە ئر و ئۆر باشە، بەڵام نە ئەوە بزانە کە ئر و ئۆر ئەتوانن ئەو کارەش بکەن، ئەتوانن فۆرمی وەردەکان بگۆڕن from a verb to a noun. باشە گوڵم. Number 4, who is that person? She's a teacher. So teacher, teach, it's a verb, someone who is teaching, and teacher will be the person, okay? A person who is teaching the pupils. Number 4, act, also it's like teach, so visit, teach, act, they are verbs, but act, we can't add er, we should add or, so or will be like an addition. When we put it, when we joined with this verb, we can change the form, it will be actor, so act, verb, actor, it's a noun. December, you have to add er, so December, it's also like mother, so this er, it's with the word itself, okay? So now, let's move to the workbook together. So, Guliman, on page 66 on the workbook, we have these two exercises and they will be your homework about lesson 4 phonics and spelling ending er and or words. So first exercise says circle the odd one out. Write this word. It means we have 3 words: actor, visitor, mother. So which one is odd one? Odd wata odaneka ladwanaki ternachet. Basha. So actor it ends with or. Visitor, it ends with or, but mother, it ends with er. So mother, it's the odd one. And you have to do the word. Then you must write down the word. Which word is the odd one? You must write down here, like the first example. Exercise 2, write a sentence for each word. We have 4 words. You must put them in a sentence. And don't care about the tense of that sentence, okay? Just, it should be meaningful sentence. We have father, doctor, October, and author, okay? Father, doctor, October, and author. Also, it means writer. Wata ukasibun muna novel, anuse drama, anuse wata nuseri obabata. Masha kulimin. And let me tell you something else. I would like to add a video for you. It will be useful, and you can get more example about er and or ending. Please try to watch this video as well. Okay, and that's all for today. Have a nice time.
Hi, once again, this is Wanna. Welcome to Wanna Learns English. Our objective is to identify the meaning of words with suffixes er and or. As we all know, a suffix goes at the end of a word and changes the meaning. Once the suffix er and or added to a word, its meaning changes. By the way, do you have any idea what do suffixes er and or mean? The suffixes er and or are agent noun suffixes. They are also called people suffixes. They are added to the end of a verb to create a noun. A noun can either be a person or a thing that does an action. For example, commute, commuter, sell, seller, invest, investor, skate, skater, bake, baker, act, actor, direct, director. A commuter is a person who commutes between home and work. A seller is a person who sells something. An investor is a person who invests money on financial schemes. A skater is somebody who skates. A baker is a person who makes breads and pastries. An actor is a person who acts in television or movies. In addition, the suffix er can also mean more. Just like in the sentence, Ben is tall, but Alfred is taller. Alfred is more tall than Ben. Tall, taller. The red rope is long. However, the blue one is longer. Long, longer. My book is thick, but Anna's book is thicker than mine. Thick, thicker. There you have it, another awesome word study. Now, let me check if you really understood what we talked about. I want you to circle the word that best fits the sentence. Are you ready? Today is blank than yesterday. Hotter, heat, hot. Jane is blank than Kyla. Tall, tall, taller. Put the ice cream in the blank. Freeze, froze, freezer. My brother is blank than me. Old, cold, older. The blank drives the tractor. Farmer, farm, faster. Wow! Perfect! I'm happy that you are really learning. You really made it this far. Congratulations! Just remember that a suffix is always added at the end of a word and changes the meaning. When you see the suffixes er and or, it means somebody or something does a job or an activity. Till next time, bye!